Hello friends, welcome to my channel. So today tutorial is on this glam eye makeup look, and this look I'm sure you will going to love it. So without wasting time, let's get started. So here I have already cleaned my face and prepped my eyes, and let's start with concealer on my eyes. I'm using here L'Oreal Inflammable Concealer in the shade Beige. Now fixing up with the help of loose powder and with a soft blending brush. First of all, I start with my socket line, and here I am using BH Cosmetics Send Me Back to Brazil palette, and with the shade orange, I am using this orange shade in my socket line and blending it well with the help of Pro Arte blending brush. And to give more transition effect, I am using light lemon yellow color on ever my orange shade, just to give a depth in my eyeshadow and also a good transitions in my socket line. And blending is very important here, so I am blending well with the help of again the Pro Arte blending brush, and also again I have taken more orange shade to build up the color. Now this is the main palette which I'm gonna use here, the Revolution HD palette. This is the first time I'm using this palette, and this palette is really very good. The pigments are so good, and I highly recommend this palette. So Revolution is my all-time favorite makeup products, and this palette is really very close to my heart. So here I'm using a dark brown coffee color eyeshadow from this palette, and I'm just filling up my upper lid of eyes, and you can build up colors according to your need and your desire. So quickly I'm just finished the same color in my another eye. So here is I'm doing again that cut crease only inner corners in my eyes, and applying again the same concealer. This is a L'Oreal Inflammable Concealer I'm applying here, and with a sharp angle brush I'm just creating a crease in the inner corners of my eyes. This brush is really very sharp, and it is from Wet n Wild. I have got this brush from Hawk Makeup, and with another angular brush I'm using golden eyeshadow from the same Revolution HD palette, and just filling up on above of my concealer only in the inner corners. So I'm just putting up golden eyeshadow on above my concealer. So now it's a time to add another color on my eyes, and it's a dark green color from the same Revolution palette. And with a soft blending brush I'm just adding green colors and blending it well, and only in the center of my eyes. This is how I blend it well, and again blending it well in my socket areas. And this is my favorite time, putting up glitters. So this palette has a pressed glitter, and you don't need to put any glitter glue here. So just take glitters on your fingers, or you can also put your glitters with the help of brush, but I'm really very comfortable to put glitters, pressed glitters, with the help of my fingers. It really blends well, and I can apply it very softly on over my eyes. And the best part is that this pigment glitter has no fall off as such, but this looks amazing. So I highly recommend this glitter. It's really wonderful. So after putting up glitters and satisfied with my eyeshadows and eye makeup, I'm just cleaning up my fallouts and moisturizing my face with the help of Belif moisturizer, which I always use and recommend. It really provides hydration. And this is my one of favorite primer I have ever used. It's from Makeup Forever, and I highly recommend this face primer. This really blur your pores and makes your skin looks velvety, and it's very soft, so you can apply all over your face or on the areas where you feel that pores are visible more. So this is I'm correcting my dark circle with the help of this MAC palette, and wherever I find my dark spots I am using this orange corrector. On above of that I'm using again the L'Oreal Inflammable Concealer. just to correct my dark spots and concealers. As you guys can see, I have pigmentations and freckles on my skin as well. So this correctors really works well, and this concealer is a bliss for me. So with the help of wet sponge, I am just blending it well, and this time I'm using MAC Studio Fix foundation in the shade 35. This is a lighter shade than my skin, one shade lighter than my skin, but I really love the full coverage effect of this foundation. And also this foundation helps you to blend very easily. It is like for dry skin, and oily skin can also use this foundation. Again, I'm using here the wet blender and blending it well all over the skin. So you can use your brush here for the foundation, you can use your sponge in whichever you feel comfortable. So now it's the time to contour, but I'm not showing you the full contour methods here. I'm just showing that how I contour my face and doing highlights here. So again, the same concealer which I have used earlier, again I'm using here. So fixing up my concealer with the help of loose powder, and here I'm using Revolution HD Contour Palette, which is in powder form, and this palette is really nice. You can use this. I always use this palette. So here I'm doing my lower lash line eyeshadows, and this is again the dark green eyeshadow from the Revolution HD palette, which I have used before as well. So with the help of small smudger brush, I'm using this dark green eyeshadow in lower lash line, and again a dark brown shadow which I have already used before. So I'm just blending it well to my green eyeshadow as well, and creating a dense look on my eyes. And with the soft blending brush, I'm just blending it out well, so to give a good dense eyeshadow look. Again, from the same smudger brush, I have taken a little light green eyeshadow and applied in the corner of my eyes, lower corner of my eyes. Here I'm using the MAC Kohl pencil. It is really dark and smudge really well. So I applied on my lower lash line, and quickly I fix my eyebrows here and doing my highlighting under my eyebrows with the help of the same palette, Revolution HD. And this is how I done my highlighting under the brows. This lashes is from Bonito L48. The blush is again from the MAC Cosmetics, and this lip liner is from the Kiko Milano, and I really like this lip liner so much. Shade number is 505, and this lip liner is light pink, which comes more of the nude shade. So here this color comes really very good on my lips. Here I am using MAC lip color. The shade name is Matte Meher. I think this shade really goes well with this look. Please let me know that how you like this lip color. I'm really liking it. So with the help of a brush, lip brush, I'm just blending it out well. And this is how this color comes up. So here I'm just highlighting my cheekbones and my nose with the same palette which I have used as my eyeshadow. So today I have just focused on using minimal product to do my full makeup. So here is my final look. Guys, I'm so excited to receive your comments and suggestions and feedbacks in my comment box. Thank you so much for watching my full tutorial. Please don't forget to subscribe my channel. And if you really like this look, please recreate it, tag me, and I'm also available in Instagram as Makeup by Sneha Bhowmik. I'll wait for your comments and suggestions there as well. Once again, thank you for watching.